Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back to share with you today how I am planning in this happy planner. You read that or heard that right. This July 2019 to December 2020 happy planner. I have already redated it with those stickers up at the top. You can see that. This one has excellent paper quality like we are used to in the past. And so I found this in my cupboard and I've been missing my happy planner majorly. So here I am. I'm going to use this one until further notice. And this week we are going to plan with Stronger Together in honor of International Women's Day on Monday. I'm going to create two big focal points and then one small one to complete my visual triangle. So I took this repeating text with the women at the bottom and I want to layer it with one of these wide boxes that encompasses multiple days. So I first wanted maybe to do a darker teal to match the colors, and ultimately gold is what won out because it's what I had that matched. So sometimes you do what you got to do, am I right? So now I'm going to take one of the very large stickers here, Stand Up Girl, and put that in the lower right hand corner. This spread also just is really near and dear to my heart from my word of the year of B. And so I'm really loving just being able to incorporate all of that. I wanted a third element in that cluster on the right hand side since I do try to work in groups of 3 and 5 if I'm not able to keep it to just 3. And that little small box is really perfect. Now the 2 hands with the peace signs was just the perfect touch for my visual triangle. So if you're new here and you have not heard me talk about the visual triangle, you can see it right there. If you drew a pretend line in between those 3 elements, you could make a triangle. And that is a very common design technique in paper crafting, and I'm sure lots of other visual arts as well. I'm adding my boxes here to notate the plans that I have for the week. I will add in my activities here that I already know about, that I already have scheduled. If things pop up, I will add them as we go, but this is the basic plans that I already know about for this week. So I am going between those Better Together stickers, and then I'm also going to add some of these simple boxes as well, one on each page. I wanted to break up those boxes from the Better Together collection and then also have one of these boxes, the colorful boxes, one on each page to tie it together. I'm going to go ahead and write the plans in the boxes now. I'm using a Papermate Flare. I've been using a Sarasa Dry, gel pen for the last month or so in my other planners, and I decided to just pull out the Papermate Flare just to use because I've forgotten how much I love it. So I'm going to go back and forth between those, the Sarasa and the Papermate Flare, and I love them both. So there is no harm in that whatsoever. Now, as you can see, I already have the bulk of not only my plans, but I also have my entire decor down. So I do like a nice full spread at the end of the week, so I will add more decoration. But right now I'm going to add a little strip of washi because why not? Washi is so fun and it really just changes up the layout so easily. So this bright yellow polka dot is going to be just what I need. So then after that, I'm going to add some bullet points that I will either use for to-dos, happy mail, or any other plans or activities that might pop up in the week. I will alternate them with the boxes that are already there because I do like to alternate in the columns between writing directly on the page and the boxes. So that is it for me today. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.